Hey guys, this is Bishop Sakina and I'm doing a 5 minute um 5 minute music challenge. As you can see, so let's get started. And one, and a two, and a three. Start. Okay. So first I'm just gonna cut out this. Just gonna use the cutter. I'm just gonna go this. Okay. I'm just gonna close this up. And I'm just gonna use it, like, run it over again. So clean. Like that. Computer bag. Then I'm just going to put on some here under my eyes. Myself again. Oh my god. Then I have some a little bronzer. Then I'm just gonna, oh my god. I need to just really powder. Then I'm just gonna put some LA Colors blush. Then you put on some mascara. Okay. Then I'm just gonna put in some lipstick. And just like a little nice shiny look for it. Then just some eyeshadow. Maybe eyeshadow right here. Oh, okay. That is my 5 minute makeup look, and I did not fail. I made it 1 minute and 11 seconds, and yeah. So I hope you guys liked this.